Hello. Quick video. Bee on Mahonia. Given that it's nearly the middle of January, and hopefully a speeded up video of me filling all this up, throwing stuff all over the garden for the birds and the squirrels. So that's it. Pag the Drum. Saying toss off for now. And if you want to subscribe, obviously do. Thumbs up, ring the bell, alerted of new videos. That's it from me. Ta-ta. Pag the Drum. Over and out. Alright. We have a bee on the Mahonia. What is it? Date today. It's Sunday the 12th of January. So we've got a bee on this Mahonia at the moment. Which is quite cool. Here we go. Hooray. Anyway, that's enough of that for the moment. Okay, yes, I'm about to feed the birds and the squirrels fat balls, and that is a mix of seed, sunflower hearts and suet pellets, and of course on the other end are the peanuts. So yeah, I'm going to go and fill this lot up, hopefully, if this works, at hyper speeds. So fingers crossed. long-tailed tits. Just came out here to stop my camera and they suddenly just appeared. Strange there's only a couple, there's normally loads of them. Oh no, I can see some more down the bottom there. Down there. Lovely little things they are. Okay. You can see actually 5, 3, 4 down the bottom. No, there's 6. So there's normally at least about 10 of them all flittering about. But anyway, that's enough for me. See you all later. Yeah, they're really getting their fill today. Making the most of it while it's all still there, I suppose. I see you in that pot. Cheeky swine. Oh, and what are you going to do? You're going to go in the next pot? You're trying to find somewhere else to bury a nut. Yeah, there's been at least 4 of these squirrels out here this morning. As I say, I did put loads and loads of nuts out on the floor in the feeders. So yeah. Look at this one, he's going in every pot to bury a nut.